Step 1. Connect board 2 and board 1 with screw A. Note, insert the screw through the large hole, screwed in vertically to avoid damaging the board.
Insert the wooden dowel. Step 2. Install board 3 with screw A. Step 3. Connect board 4 and 5 with screw A. Step 3. Insert the wooden dowel, then put the side leg on. Note: align the dowels with the slot at the bottom. Step 4. The dowel facing backwards. Turn it round to face forwards, then place the phone holder, pen holder, drawer. The red area indicates the installation range for the mobile phone stand.